change. So a 93 Ford Ranger 3.0, 3 litre V6 coming in from the driver's side. And just the front of the truck. And it's back here. Right here. And I got a 16mm ratchet. And we'll loosen that up and put it into a drain pan. The oil filter is right there. So we'll drain it first, tighten it, then we'll do the oil filter. And there's the starter. And later on I have to look for exhaust leaks, because I can smell it at idle. And it's just sitting at stoplights. And later we'll change the muffler down there. Might have to take it to a shop for that, probably.